242, get ready as Sadai Productions presents One More Night, featuring Busy Signal, MDs, and Bobo Ken. It all goes down November 27th at Mario's Bowling and Entertainment Palace, hosted by the Mighty Pencil. Tickets are just $25 for general admission, VIP $50, Platinum $75. Get your tickets now at the Jukebox, the Beauty Shack, and Mario's Bowling and Entertainment Palace. For Skybox info, call 1-242-341-6060 or 429-5351. Music by TG Movement, DJ Chronic, and Fire Red. It all goes down on the 27th of November. Busy Signal, One More Night.
Sadai Production presents One More Night. At least November 27th, Nassau, Bahamas. Yeah, another try. Ladies, Bahamas missing one more night. Give me just one more Bahamas. Me tell her say, 'cause every day me say me want on my life.
Security will be strictly enforced.